In this video, I'm going to show off a feature that was recommended by a few customers and has since become one of my favorite things in NODE40 Balance. First, a little background. Our own data shows that 53% of cryptocurrency users have custodial wallets such as a Trezor, and 80% of users transfer cryptocurrency between accounts. And a whopping 85% of users have traded multiple tokens. We have a few customers who have traded hundreds of tokens. Now, it's totally fine if you simply want to connect your wallets and exchanges and let NODE40 Balance do the work of creating your tax forms. However, if you like transparency and want to get into the nitty-gritty details in all your ledgers, we created a little feature to help you navigate. So let's check it out. I don't have an unmanageable number of ledgers in this account, but enough to demo the feature. You can either click the search box or press / on your keyboard. From there, you can start typing to find one of your ledgers or use the up and down arrow keys. When we're testing out new features, I use this search a lot. And when tax season comes rolling around, I'm thankful for the ability to quickly navigate between ledgers. I hope you find this little addition as useful as I do. If you have any questions, our support team is always happy to chat.